Hello Internet. Today I've got something work related. I was asked to check if this floor heating can be salvaged and run again. I have a bad feelings because this is old building and the floor looks something like this. There is a big hole in the floor and everything is a mess. But we will see what we can do. So I will put you on the tripod and we'll take a closer look. So we have two cords and four wires. One is black, so this is your live. This is protective earth, another protective earth, and the blue is negative. So you got something like this. One cord, it goes to the floor, and you got the resistive part. It goes back to your neutral, and the earth comes along and goes back here. So what can we test? We can test isolation resistance between this and this, and also we can test the resistance between live and neutral to calculate the nominal power of the heating mat or heating wire. So the wires were cut by the previous user of this building, and he also took off the box for controlling the heating. Can you see the screen? You can also check the continuity of protective earth. So you can start with this. First you want to zero the leads. Go to the continuity. 200 milliamps should be good. Then you do the calibration. Okay. Now we can check the continuity for the earth. So 1.14 ohms should be good. We can write this somewhere here. .14. Next we can check the continuity between live and neutral. If we have a break, (32.7 ohms. So we can use Ohm's law to calculate the current. So we got 230 volts divided by 32.7 ohms, and we got 7.03 amps, and that we can multiply by the voltage, 230, and we have that times 230, and we got 1617 watts. So it's about 1.6 kilowatt heating mat or heating wire. So that seems about right for this size of floor. So the last thing we need to check if the live wire isn't damaged and we have earth leakage. So the last thing we needs to do is to test the isolation of the live to neutral wire with protective earth wire, or in that case with the rest of the building. So to do this we need to switch our neutral to one of the earths. We know they are connected together, so it doesn't matter which one. Then we need to go to isolation test. Our parameters, test voltage is 500 volts. We are testing live to neutral because the wires like these are connected. And our limit is 1 mega ohm. So let's do the test. 29 mega ohms. It's not great, not terrible. I would be happier to see 100 mega ohms, but it's still above 10 mega ohms, so we should be fine. The concrete is wet and also is cold, so I think we can try and apply voltage to the cables. I will put you closer. So for the test, I've got this suicide cable. We'll be using Wago connectors. This is I think 222 Wago and this is 221. This one is 221 and this one is 222, I think. I don't think we will need protective earth for the test. I hope so, because the meter shows everything's fine. I think we're good. Okay, I've got the extension lead. Let's do the final test. A bit of zooming out. And I think we are hitting the floor. Nothing exploded. So I will wait for a moment and we will see on the thermal camera if something is hitting. Okay, so it's been half an hour and you can check it with thermal camera. Sorry for a crude screen recording, but it's convenient for me. You can see the power strip is working. But also you can see the floor is getting warm. So you can see all the strips of heating wire. And also there is one heating wire coming out, going to this end. This is turning right before the doors, so it's like a meter from the walls. Then we are going along and we are just about next to this big hole. So it's right about, where is it? Here. This is the last coil of the heating wire. So you can say that the owner has more luck than I usually do. Here are the rest of the coils. And just the money shot or a thumbnail photo. And that's basically it. So I hope see you soon. Bye.